Hi all, welcome to my channel Trish Tales and a very happy Independence Day to everyone. I've always had a feeling that a movie, a great movie, with a great storyline, a great picturization, the audio, the soundtrack, the songs, that has a huge impact than any other social media we have. So I'm sure that you must have had, goosebumps when you listen to our national song Jan Gan Man. Also, you must have, had that pride feeling when you watch certain patriotic movies, and then you think that yes, I belong to this country, India. So you must have got that proud feeling. And also, when you watch certain actors in the movie, just upholding our national flag and then running, so that has an immense feeling of wow. So today on the occasion of Independence Day, I'll bring you top 5 classic movies which you should definitely watch on the Independence Day. So these movies has been the epic blockbuster films of all time. So it will, again get back to you the realization of your culture, your roots, and everything. So what if you can't go outside? You can't, go outside and celebrate. You can't go and, see the hosting of our national flag. But still, you can sit at home, relax, and then you can watch these classic blockbuster movies, and then you can, get that pride feeling of being an Indian. So I'll just bring you to these top 5 classic movies. So let's get started now. A mother is a symbol of a strength of an Indian woman. So the very first movie on my top 5 list is Mother India. So Mother India has been, it's a very beautiful movie which has been portrayed by Nargis Dutt, who is the mother of Sanjay Dutt. And the story revolves around a woman, a mother in a village. So she faces some tough economical hardships, and then how she raises her 2 sons, her 2 children. So the story is about that what a mother can do just to raise their kids, their children properly, and what are the limits that she can cross. So this is a very beautiful movie, guys, and you should definitely watch this. And the picturization, the scenes which has been, portrayed in the movie, so everything revolves around the village, and it's very beautiful. So definitely it should be on your top number 1 watch list, and you should definitely go for it. And you can find this movie on Amazon Prime, so that you can go on the Amazon Prime online platform and you can, watch this movie. The second movie on my top 5 list is Purab Paschim. So Purab Paschim, guys, is a great movie, and it has been portrayed by Manoj Kumar, one of the finest actors. The story is that how many people who travels to foreign countries and how they forget their own roots, their own culture just to blend in the foreign countries, and they're ashamed of it. So the story is about respecting your own values, your own culture, your own country where you're born and brought up. So this is what the storyline is, and it's definitely a very beautiful movie and worth watching, guys. So you can get this movie on ZEE5 OTT, ZEE5 platform, and you should definitely go for it. So the third movie on my list is Shaheed. Shaheed is also portrayed by Manoj Kumar, and Manoj Kumar in this movie, he portrays the character of Bhagat Singh. So I'm sure that you must have watched many other movies, because there has been several movies which has been made on the same concept. So Bhagat Singh was a freedom fighter, and there has been many movies made, yes. But still, the kind of acting and the dedication and the love for country which you'll see in this movie, so that is worth watching, and it's brilliant. So watch this movie, and it's on the top 3 in my list, so you should just go and check it out. And this movie you can get it on ZEE5. So the fourth movie on the list is Kranti. So Kranti is a movie which is one of my personal favorite, because it's a multi-starrer film. It stars many of the famous legendary actors, which is again Manoj Kumar, Dilip Kumar, Hema Malini, Shatrughan Sinha. So these are the one of the finest actors which have worked in this movie. And Kranti is a 1981 Indian historical drama film which has been made. And as the title suggests, so Kranti is basically about the revolution with the sole aim of driving British out of the country, out of India. So if you're a fan of the multi-starrer films, then yes, you should watch this movie, and I'm sure that you'll like it, and it's one of my personal favorite. The film has been declared by blockbuster of all times, including all its songs. So its the songs are also very very beautiful, and they're very nice songs. So if you're a fan of a multi-starrer film, then definitely you should watch this. And while watching the movie, guys, I guess you'll feel a certain sense of hatred and anger, like how the Indians were being treated during those times, and also at the same time feeling. So definitely you should listen to all these songs of this movie Kranti, and you should watch this movie. So you can get it on the ZEE5 OTT platform. The fifth and the last film on my list is Hindustani. So Hindustani is a movie which has been portrayed by Kamal Haasan, who is one of the patriot of the nation, and he's an honest man who serves in the Indian Army, and then he decides to teach all of the corrupt officials a lesson. So he targets some of the ministers and the bureaucrats to make them work diligently and work in each and every field without any bribes. So this is what the story is. So if you're a fan of a Kamal Haasan, then yes, you should go and watch this. So yet again I'll say, so this is also one of the very finest movies which has been made, and one of the great actor which is Kamal Haasan. So you can get this movie on ZEE5 on the ZEE5 OTT platform. So yes, you should go and watch this movie. So guys, I know like there has been many patriotic movies which has been made in the past, and obviously they'll be made in the future too. But this is the kind of list, the top 5 movies which I have watched. So these are some of the classic films of the 70s, 80s and 90s also. So if you're a fan of the old movies, the old classic movies, then I just say to try these ones. Just go and watch these, any of these 5 movies, you can just go and watch. So if you like this video, definitely do share with all your friends and family on the occasion of Independence Day. And till then, stay safe, be happy, take care of your friends and family. Jai Hind.